You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to add a calendar widget to your iPhone's home screen or Today view. First, unlock your iPhone and long press on an empty area of your home screen until the apps jiggle. Tap the plus plus icon in the top left corner. This opens the widget gallery. In the search bar at the top, type calendar. You will see widget options from the built-in calendar app. Select the size and style you prefer, such as up next or month. Swipe left or right to see different sizes. Tap Add Widget. The widget will be placed on your home screen. You can drag it to your desired location. Tap Done in the top right to finish. To add a widget to the Today view, swipe right from your home screen or lock screen to access it. Scroll to the bottom and tap Edit. Tap the plus plus next to Calendar to add it. Use the hamburger icon to drag and reorder widgets. You can customize the calendar widget settings by long pressing it and selecting Edit Widget. This allows you to choose which calendar to display or toggle event details. This widget provides a quick glance at your schedule without opening the app. For more simple iPhone customization tutorials, subscribe to the channel.